So the next knife we're going to look at is a clicker knife. This is also known for traditional leatherworking. It's what used to be used for cutting patterns for shoemakers. So with this one, you squeeze the top, unscrew the handle. The blade is held inside and it is a curved, inward curving blade. Put it back into the handle. And then we've screwed it on nice and tightly. This I would not recommend for soft leathers. So this is that same soft piece of upholstery. And if we pull this, we can see it's bunched up, and that is not a straight cut at all. I can put my straight edge onto this, and as long as I use a lot of firm, even pressure across the length of this, hopefully not scoring the leather underneath, I should be able to get a reasonable cut. But there's a lot of effort in that, and it will still kink at the very end, just here. So what this is used for is your thicker pieces. So if we go back to the vegetable tan leather, so I can use it to cut a straight edge, or the real benefit of this is I can cut curves with it. So I keep it nice and low, apply some pressure just on the back. And if we'd have marked that curve on beforehand, then we can follow the line. This is one of my favourite knives, especially when cutting Veg-Tan. There will be a separate video linked below on how to maintain this. I highly recommend watching. Very, very useful knife. It's the clicker knife. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up button. If you aren't already, subscribe and hit the bell icon to be notified when a new video is being released. If you have any questions about what you've seen in this video or suggestions for future videos, please leave a comment down below.